everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back to share a project with you guys. And so this is using the new Tailored Expressions Create in Quads. It's called, is it called Hooray? Crap, I don't even know what this one's called. But this is like their graduation line. And of course, I need to clean my stencil. Sorry, this is like, I don't want to get this all messed up. So this one is called Hooray, and it is sort of designed to be a graduation stencil because you do have this one image that is definitely a graduation cap, but the rest of it you totally can make into non-graduation cards. Absolutely. You can make them be more generic. You can make them birthday cards, thank you cards, other types of cards. And I'll show you that because I do have two videos on this particular Creating Quads. Two different colorways, and so you can see the different things that I did with this. So you could, and I show people just using one panel and just kind of taping it just to that one panel and just stenciling over the specific image that they want to create. You totally could do that. I didn't do that because I just got this stencil and I'm just trying to play with it. But the way that this works is you cut your paper 8 by 10.5, and then you lay your stencil on top of it, and then you stencil your color. You can see it's a little jacked up because I did use some paste on there. And then, you know, you go to the next one, and they have these little squares that you fill in, and so that's how you can match up the next stencil so that they all overlap in just the right way to create a panel of 4 distinct cards. Once you cut them into 4s, you get 4 distinct panels. So it's very ingenious. I do have to clean it because it's like so gross. And then the other things that I used is I did use this stamp set and die. It's called Gus and Gertie Best Buds, and I used the die. I used this Happy Birthday and die, or on occasion. I'm sorry, I used the Happy Birthday. On occasion, I use that. And the die. I also use this one, which is a brand new one, which is High Five, and the die. And I don't know if I use the cap on this one, but I do have the cap. And then I have this Congrats die, which I actually really like. So let me show you what I made. I did use that little die. So let's start with the graduation cards. So this was all done in blue and yellow, and I don't even know the other color that I used. It's like blues and yellows. Oh, and one time I went over it with the paste. So let's go ahead and show you this one. So this one is Congrats Grad. It's definitely a graduation card. And I use a little cap here. And I really like how that came out. It's really, really cute. There's that one. And then this one also is a graduation. These are UCI colors, actually. I don't know anybody graduating from UCI, but that was my alma mater. But so it's Congrats, and it's got the banner and the little cap there. And I did this in silver paper and silver paste. And then here is the Gus and Gertie one. And I use this for the one that looks like a frame. And I stamped the image there, and I colored it in. Just a little brief coloring because it doesn't need lots of coloring. And the stars I colored, and then I cut them out. And then some of the stars are on foam, and then some are just taped all the way down, so it gives a little bit of a different sort of look. And I just think it's adorable. And I use the You Are a Star. So you can see that this card could be a birthday card for a little boy, or it could be, you know, maybe they did something, I mean, an accomplishment, you want to give them a card. It could be a birthday. So it's just, I like that. So, and then this one, I did do it into a birthday card. And so I stamped the happy birthday in the yellow, and then I cut it out. I put little gems in the middle of the little bursts there, and I think it makes a really cute kind of more masculine, you know, birthday card. And so that's the projects that I made using this Create in Quads Hooray stencil. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.